Okay.
What's up, dude?
Can you help me? Can you teach me how to make a balloon body?
Sure, sounds fun.
Let's
go!
Howdy y'all, and welcome to my shop. Join my family and me as we build projects and go on adventures. My name is Waylon, and this is Muddy Turtle Motors.
Alright, welcome back to the garage, everybody. Today we're going to be swapping these motors. This one has some clearance issues and a few other problems that we're just not going to use this motor. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to swap this motor time to a brand new Predator 3-horse 80cc motor. Let's go. Alright. Now, we get to open this one. Oh, stay in the light. Alright? Alright, here's our engine blade. Alright, my man. 79 cc's, it rounds up to 80. Come here, you do this one. This is a 13mm ratchet. It's all set up here. Look underneath. There's 4 bolts right here, here. Put it on there. Don't ratchet it up. Doing a fine job. Leave them on the extra. It's too tight. Grab the.
Okay, stop.
wrench.
Stop.
Good job. Nothing. Boop. Alright, put in the new motor. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This was both.
So this one sits lower and you can actually get to it with gas. So this right here is a motor mount that allows it to fit in the same footprint as the other one. Just like that.
No, those.
And it comes with these bolts so we can bolt it up.
No, these.
Okay, there you go. Now you should take it out. Alright. So what we're going to do, this is called Loctite. This is kind of like glue. And we're going to smear it on the bolt. And then you put the bolt in, it'll keep it from falling out.
It smells good.
Yeah, it kind of smells like berries, huh?
Yeah.
So, I'll take the bolt, swoosh it on. Put it all in the grill. Now, we'll plate up. Put the bolt in. I'll start working on the next one. You tighten that bolt. Hold on, line up. I'm gonna have to do what I'm doing. Over here. Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. All the way. Nice and easy. Watch me. Almost. Put the water on it first. See that? Keep your head up. Once it's done, look, I'll hold my finger there, put another one. That's good. Good job, buddy. Don't just do short strokes.
We're done.
There you go, buddy. That's it. Keep going. Doing a fine job.
Hold up. Turbo says don't forget to subscribe. drop a comment, share this video, ring the bell, and hit that like button. Now back to the video.
Alright, so this is our clutch. We need to get it on here. First thing we gotta do, pull this key out. Grab it. There we go. We'll keep that for later. And you pick that up and put it on there. Put it right on. Yeah, turn it. Slide right on. Now, the way this chain lines up with the motor, looks like we're going to put the clutch on backwards, because that's not going to work. Slide this off, put it on backwards. Some clutches you have to put on backwards. Yeah, just so the chain lines up correctly. That looks pretty good. Now, you got the clutch on, you got to put the end bolt on. Alright, dude. So we got this locked down, good and tight. Chain, round down. Okay, chain's on me. Alright. Try to pull that off. Don't want to move, does it? Oh yeah! Look, buddy. What? Alright, so what I had to do was modify the stock throttle arm because the 80cc Predator doesn't come with the setup to just hook a throttle cable directly to it. So what I did first was I had to remove the gas tank, which is 3 8mm bolts, and then I had to remove a 10mm nut from the top of the swing arm right here, and I removed the wavy washer from underneath the swing arm, got rid of that so we have a free moving throttle arm, and then I had to take off the throttle arm and drill out a hole right here. Sorry, here. This is the hole I drilled. This is the one that goes to the stock spring for the governor. We're not going to be deleting the governor from this engine. So, drill a simple hole here, and then on the back side of the stock swing arm, I'll go ahead and put it in place. On the back side of the swing arm, we have to use a cable stop. And the cable stop I have also came with a smaller diameter hole, so we matched that, and both of them work perfectly with our throttle cable. Back the screw out a little bit. So the cable will pass through the cable stop, and then the screw tightens down on it, and that keeps it from being able to go back, which allows us, when we twist our throttle, to pull the throttle lever. So now that we have all of our parts finished, we just gotta put it together. Okay, so the sheath butts up against where that throttle under screw was, and our cable, we're gonna run it through that spring that was on the throttle limiting screw. Use that spring as our throttle return spring. have it, everybody. We got the motor swapped out and oil in it and gas in it. Throttle set up, brakes, chain. She's ready to ride. Let's go. All right, first pull. Probably not gonna start on the first one. Just gotta get gas in the carburetor first. And on position. We are in choke. Oh man, there you go. There we go. Third one. Ah, she died. I'm going to put on some boots and pants because the clutch is exposed and the chain is as well. And then I'm probably going to strap a seat to it. That way I'm not getting metal bars in my butt. The owner has the seat and he said he's going to put that on himself. So let's take it for a ride. That's it for today, everybody. We got this one going. Our friend's gonna come get his bike real soon. We'll see you next time.